Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Miss Hino's Lego Robotics. Today I have a different version. It's going to be the Spike Prime version of the Lego EV3 Pool Noodle Runner. I always have to say that slow because I can't say it fast. It's almost like a tongue twister for me. And I know you guys are trying that right now. So if you guys want to see my Spike Prime Pool Noodle Runner, see, I can't even say it right. If you want to see my Spike Prime Pool Noodle Runner, stay with me.
Hino, Lego Robotics.
Okay, guys, so I know that I have the EV3 kit and I made this Pool Noodle Runner. And it was so cool because I had these pool noodles and I'm thinking, you know what? Like a monorail, I bet you this robot could travel along this pool noodle if I put the motors and the wheels in the correct spot. So if you guys missed my EV3 one, check this out real quick. So those of you that have Spike Prime, I thought, you know what? I'll bet you I can do the same exact thing. Obviously, the motors are a little different, but if I alter it, I can make a Spike Prime Pool Noodle Runner. So what I did is I just took and I also wanted to make this as easy as I could to build. I didn't want this elaborate thing because the EV3 one was simple, so I knew that the Spike Prime would. So today what I'm going to do is show you basically how I built it, what parts you're going to need, and then I definitely want to show you how this thing goes along the pool noodle. So let's go ahead and first how do you get this thing built? Okay guys, let me go ahead and show you how easy this thing is to build. You're going to need the two wheels, two 7s, the hub, two H pieces, two 11s, four long black connectors, and your two motors. That's it. So let's go ahead and get this thing built. So if you want shorter axles than this, you can use shorter ones. So we're just going to go ahead and put the axles in each of the motors and put the wheel on. And then we're going to put your H pieces in the hub like so. And we're just going to put these two holes onto it's going to look like that. Actually, I take this back. We might want to put these blue ones in first because once we get those motors in, it's going to be hard to. Let's go ahead and put these long blue connectors in first and then your 11s like that. My bad, I forgot that it's really hard to get these in once the motors get put in. It kind of blocks it, so. Okay, so let's do this first. So we have those H pieces in, and then we'll put the blue connectors and these 11s on the ends. Then we can now so everything now should fit in perfectly. Where this goes into the blue connectors like that. And the same with the other side. And that's it. You'll just go ahead and attach your motors. I kind of put the cables away because the cables were getting underneath here and causing friction, and it wasn't allowing the runner to go very well. So we'll just put this into, turn this around. There we go. And there is the Pool Noodle Runner. So what we're going to do now is just take it over to the pool noodle and we'll just watch this thing run on it like a monorail. Okay guys, so now that you have the Spike Prime Pool Noodle Runner built, let's go ahead and take it to the pool noodle and watch this thing go. And if you want to connect pool noodles, for those of you that have the Spike Prime or Inventor kit, these curved panels are really good pool noodle connectors. You just go ahead and jam them into one side and you connect the other. Just like that. Okay, let's watch this Pool Noodle Runner go. And those beams down at the bottom keep this thing on the noodle. Just like a monorail. Okay guys, so I just love these quick builds that are cool that you can associate with everyday things like a pool noodle. So for those of you that have a pool noodle at home, awesome. If you don't, these things are pretty cheap. I think they're 50 cents or $1 that I might have spent. So you can go to Walmart and pick these things up, and it's a really cool, simple build, and it just kind of reinforces the concept of a monorail type vehicle, and it just allows you to know, hey, you know what, if we put this together right, it can balance and it can travel along this pool noodle. So it's a really cool build. I love all types of vehicles and trams and just things that move along a track. So I thought this was an awesome project. All right guys, hopefully you enjoyed it. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.